So every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the numbers. So let us take some numbers. What number we should take first? Every multiple of a number. So we take suppose number 2 and we take another number greater than 2, that is 3, is every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So if we multiply this 2 with 0, can we say it is greater than 2?
Yeah.
No, no. In that case, it is smaller than 2. So that's why it is not true. Because
Okay.
if we take 1 as a multiple, in that case we say it is equal to. If we take 2 as multiple, we can say the product is greater. But if we take more greater, then it is also greater. But in the case of 2 and 0, multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Oh, question is saying is greater than or equal to the number. So 0 should not taken in that case. Either we can take 0 into 0, either we can take 1 into 1, either we can take a same number or we can take larger number. In that case, that's why it is for true. This statement is true. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, this one is true. Question 76. The number of multiples of a given number is finite. The number of multiples of a given number is finite.
Yeah.
So the number of multiples of a given number is finite. Do you know true or false? Which one is here? Yeah. Take some number. Suppose we take some number. Suppose 12 we are taking number. And we are finding the multiple of 12. So 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36. We are taking. Are they finite? Are are they finite? Are there finite multiples of 12? I think there is infinite multiples of 12. Isn't it?
Yeah.
There we can say 12 into 100, 12 into 1000, 12 into 1 million. So it is infinite multiples. In that case, it is not a finite. So that's why it is false statement. Next question number 77. Every number is a multiple of itself. This one is true. Every number is a multiple of itself. 3 1 ja 3, same number. Is it true or not? Every number. 0 multiply 1 is 0. So in case of 1 multiply by 1, we get the same number itself. We get the same number. Every number is a multiple of itself. So the condition here is every number. The question is saying about all numbers. All number is a multiple of itself. What is meaning multiple of itself? So every number is a multiple of itself. Yes, we can say that one time when we multiply, it gives the same number. So it is every number is multiple of itself. Question number 78. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is always divisible by 4. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is always divisible by 4. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is always divisible by 4. So do you know consecutive, the word consecutive? What are meaning two consecutive odd numbers? Tell two consecutive odd numbers. We can take two consecutive odd numbers. Suppose first is one is odd number, then next consecutive odd number is 3. The difference between two odd numbers should be 2. That is called consecutive odd numbers. Their sum is 1 plus 3 is 4. That is divisible by 4. But next 3 plus next consecutive number of 3 is 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. That is also divisible by 4. And after 5, next consecutive number is 7. So 5 plus 7 is 12. That is also divisible by 4. Next is 7 after. Okay, 7 plus 9 16. 9 plus 11 is 20. Yes, this one is true. All are divisible, coming divisible by 4. That's why it is true. Question number 79. Question 79. If a number is divides three numbers exactly, if a number divides three numbers exactly, it must divide their sum exactly. It must divide their sum exactly. If a number is divisible, divides three numbers exactly, if a number divides three numbers exactly, it must divide their sum exactly. This one is true or false? So suppose if a number divides three numbers exactly, suppose we are taking 4, it can divide 12, it can divide 16, it can divide 20. So we are taking three numbers that are divisible by 4 are 12, 16 and 20. What is their sum? So sum is 12 plus 16 plus 20. 12 plus 16 plus 20. So 48. Yes, so this sum is also divisible by 4 or not? This sum is also divisible by 4 because we can say 4 is multiple of 12 is divisible by 4. So 12 is multiple of 4. So 16 is divisible by 4. So 16 is also multiple by 4. 20 is also divisible by 4. So 20 is also multiple by 4. So this 4 we take as common. In the sum we can take common opposite of distributive property. After taking common, this outside 4 remain as it is. Inside we get some number. So this is the divisible 4 into 12 is divisible by 4. So this one is true statement.
Yeah.
So in this question we can take three numbers 12, 16 and 20. Their sum is divisible by 4 and we take the common 4 because sum is divisible by 4. So we can say sum is multiple of 4 some by some times some numbers. So in that case after taking common we see here left is 3, here we see 4 times 5 times, so 9 plus 12, 12 into 4. So after getting the sum, so question is saying the sum is divisible by 4, it meaning the number is also divisible by 4 because this 4 will distribute inside, it means multiply inside, and it gives the three numbers. So three number will separately divisible by 4, that's why it is divisible by 4. So this is the opposite of 79th question number.